Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open dial combination lock, easy method. Start by clearing the lock with 3 full clockwise turns, then stop at the first number. Next, rotate counterclockwise, passing the second number once and stop on it, then turn clockwise to the third number. Pull the shank while steady, listen for the click, and practice slowly until motion feels smooth and confident. Begin by holding the lock steady with your non-dominant hand, and use your dominant hand to turn the dial slowly and deliberately. Focus on smooth rotations and avoid jerky motions that can pass a number unnoticed. If numbers blur together, count rotations aloud and pause on each target to verify alignment, which helps prevent misreads and builds reliable muscle memory for open. If your combination fails, always start over by re-clearing the dial with 3 full clockwise turns before attempting the sequence again. Inspect the dial for dirt or worn markings and clean gently to restore accuracy, and confirm you are stopping exactly on each number. If the shank spins without resistance when pulled, the internal mechanism may be compromised, and you should consider professional servicing or replacement for reliable security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.